because they are the local government department, they would wish that the Mandanas ruling will be constitutionalized. In other words, the decision of the Supreme Court will be placed in the provisions of the Constitution, meaning that all taxes, including customs, collected VAT, and income taxes, will now be used in the computation of the taxes to be distributed 40% to the local governments. Because before, those collected by customs taxes, which pertains to income tax, were not remitted. It was not part of the computation by the national government.